Hello, guys. All right, so how do people help out in the community? I want you to draw a picture. How do people help out in the community? You have a whiteboard or a piece of paper, or even on your seesaw today, you could draw how do people help out in the community. All right, remember leadership. Leadership means the ability to guide a group of people. Okay, so leadership. Our leader is in our school is Mr. Connard. You should think about if you had a group, would you want to be the leader? All right, connections. Connections are links between two or more things, like these chain link. That's connection. Enjoy. When you enjoy something, you really like it. You really like it. Something I enjoy is spending time with my family. So I enjoy spending time with my family. What's something that you enjoy? Okay, rely. When you rely on somebody, you trust somebody to help you. So who's somebody that you rely on at home? All right, remember TH says, SH says sh, and NG says ng. So when two words come together to make a new sound, we call those buddy letters or digraphs. Okay? Remember we see ng at the end of a word. All right, let's type this word out. Thin. Make sure you have your choppers ready. Sh, it, ship. Ish, fish. Ing, sing. All right, I'm going to say the sounds. You guys are going to blend them together to say the word, to hear the word. Are you ready? K-a-sh. Cash, that's right. The digraph in there, or the buddy letters, S-H. Ick. Thick, that's right. The digraph in there is T-H, or the buddy letter. Sing. Sing. Ng is the buddy letter. Good job. St-a-ng. What's the buddy letter? Ng, that's right. B-r-e-g. Bring. Ring. What's the buddy letter? Ng, that's right. S-m-a-sh. Smash. That's right. The buddy letter is S-H. Good job, guys. All right, we're going to say these words. Sometime today, if you get a chance, you could rainbow write them on your iPad or write them on a notebook or a piece of paper. Okay, so fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Shop. S-H-O-P, shop. Ship. S-H-I-P, ship. Wit. W-I-T-H, wit. Sing. T-H-I-N-G, sing. Sing. S-A-N-G, sing. Fast. F-A-S-T, fast. Wink. W-I-N-K, wink. Want. W-A-N-T, want. Call. C-A-L-L, call. All right, now we have some missing letters in here. We have been missing letters. Ish. Well, let's go here. If you said if, you were right. S, and then we have a letter missing. O-P. This word would be shop. Shop. So what's the missing letter? You said H. You're right. We're missing a buddy letter. This word right here is ship. Ship. What are we missing right here? You said H. You're right. We're missing that other buddy letter. We We have I. What letter are we missing? You said W. You're right. With. Good job. We're missing a buddy letter right here. You said in. You're right. Thing. Good job. Missing another buddy letter here. You said in. You're right. We were missing that buddy letter. S-A-N-G. Sing. Okay, we're missing another letter right here. You said S. Asked. Fast. Good job. Right here, we're missing a vowel. You said W. And you said I. You're right. I goes there. Wink. Right here, we have the first sound missing. You said W. You're correct. Want. Now you have another letter missing. This is a bonus letter that's missing. You said L. You're correct. Good job, guys. Alright, let's practice our sight words one more time. Aw, A-L-L, aw. Then we have caw. C-A-L-L, caw. Then we have day. D-A-Y, day. Then we have her. H-E-R, her. Then we have want. W-A-N-T, want. Alright, let's see if we can find them in the word search. First word was all. You found all. A-L-L, all. Good job. See if we can find call. I found it. C-A-L-L, call. See if we can find day. Day. I found it. D-A-Y. Her. See if you can find her. Oh, right there at the tip top. H-E-R, her. Want. Want. Oh, I found it. W-A-N-T, want. Alright, you guys are going to read Thump Thump Helps Out and Nell's book. Are you ready? You guys are going to read Thump Thump by yourself. Then you have Nell's books.